the directors of these organizations are from different walks of life, from very different fields. And you may be concerned that only the people who are involved in adoption are involved in the boards. We have people from the scholars, with legal scholars as well as sociologists. We have people from the Association of Adoptive Parents. So it's made up of people from very different backgrounds. We have tried to set up a very objective board of directors.
예.
마이크를 사용하지 않으시면 통역이 불가능합니다.
네, 네. 예. 지금 네, 있어요. 저 스티븐 모리슨이 들어와 계셔요.
The speaker has to use the microphone for interpretation.
많은 논의가 있었고요. 또
There has been a lot of discussion. Many issues have been talked about.
아니 잠깐만요. 예. 그런데 제가 이제 사회자의 입장에서 이렇게
since I am the moderator.
서비스 전달체가 다 중요하지만
yes, legislation is important, the service delivery system is important, but of course it's the stakeholders in adoption that are most important. The biological parents, the adoptees. I think the people involved in the adoption should be at the center stage in the process, and I think their views need to be reflected in the policies and laws, and I think today's discussion was an opportunity to realize that. Now I think we need to hear some views from the ministry that is overseeing the policies related to adoption. So let me give the opportunity to Ms. Sukja Park from the Ministry of Welfare. Can you please make a very brief comment? So I'll be very brief and concise. Having heard your comments, there is a long way to go in improving this law. Before this became our responsibility, the other bureau had been holding the hearings, and I think it has been a great opportunity for me to hear your views, and I think the relationship between the Special Act and the Civil Code needs to be clarified, and this is a very serious issue that I will take to heart, and there are certain issues that also need to be discussed with the Ministry of Justice as well. So we will probably have to have several more public hearings so that more opinions from all the stakeholders involved in adoption can be reflected in our policies. You mentioned the views from the adoption agencies, the adoptees and adoptive parents. But I think we were losing sight of the biological parents' painful secrets. I think we do need to protect the painful secrets and privacy of biological parents who really did not have a choice but to give up their children for adoption. So I think we should take into consideration all of this. And I would like to add that most of the adopted children were given birth by unwed mothers. And our bureau previously did not have a lot of policies on single mothers, but we are now trying to get ample budget to provide support for unwed mothers to raise their children instead of having to give them up for adoption. Now, one more thing, dissolution of adoption is quite frequent. Well, adoption between private individuals are not under our responsibility. We oversee adoption of children requiring protection, public protection. There are about 2,000 adoptions last year, but dissolution of such adoptions last year were only 9 to 10. So actually, dissolution dissolution of adoption occurs more frequently in the case of adoptions under civil code between private individuals, but we do feel that we should add some clauses overseeing the dissolution of children who were given up for adoption through such public agencies. I appreciate all the comments and views from the audience and the experts here. If you have other comments and views that you would like to share with us, send us a fax, email, or any other communication channels. Thank you very much.
마무리 멘트.
Yes, could you just say a few words to conclude today's hearing? I would like to thank all of you for your input as I was listening. Adoptees, biological parents, in particular unwed mothers, adoptive parents, we need to reflect their positions, and we would also need to reflect the positions of the government as well as the agencies, and we have to think about the social welfare rights and the civic rights. So it's an issue, it's a very complicated issue because there are so many stakeholders and there are so many different perspectives that need to be incorporated. And I think I don't envy the work to be done by the Ministry of Welfare, and I hope that through public hearings, I hope that there will be future public hearings to ensure that we have an excellent special act on adoption. I hope that we'll be able to present you, we hope that our institute will be able to contribute to a better and more advanced society by holding forums like this.
예, 마지막으로 가시는 길에 부탁 한 가지 드리겠습니다. 지금 가고 계시는 요 리시버를 나가시면서 모두 반납을 해주시기를 부탁드리겠습니다. 네, 감사합니다.